All right, cool. Let's move on to email copy examples. So the first example is actually a founder who had a 30% success rate with this email, which is like insane. Now, email to a portfolio company founder for an investor intro. Okay, so hey, portfolio founder name. Okay, I love what you do at that company. My name is XYZ, and I started my company XYZ, right, a few years ago in the city, let's say London. We're raising a seed round, and I was wondering if you'd be comfortable making an introduction to X Capital, right, like his investor or her investor. Totally okay if not. Happy to hop on a call too. Some background below. We're building and then one sentence, like really brief, to solve, really brief the problem you're solving. Don't explain it too long, right? Like literally nobody has time to read your emails. We're growing X% month on month, right? 20%, pacing to whatever, 10K MRR with a 4X LTV CAC, right? So then that person also knows, okay, cool. Like if I give more money to that startup, or if I make an intro, like it's a cool startup, for X LTV CAC is pretty decent. If these ratios are actually calculated correctly, which are 90% of decks I see, they're not, but still, we're looking to expand into more markets after proving out, XYZ cities or customer profiles, raising X seed round. This is already committed. This is the link to the deck, name and phone number. Okay, super simple, and ultimately, it's very, very punchy, and like there are really good metrics and things which are standing out. And this is also really important. This is like social proof, and like, cool, look, like we don't really need you, but half is still there. And actually, if you introduce us to your investor, it might even be good for you as well, and you get kind of like credit for that as well. This guy gets 30% introduction, like 30% of people he emails introduce them to the investor.